Well, how is everyone? We're up in the Black Mountain today for the Bluebell Festival, and we've got a big group of kids around. 60 plus kids up cleaning the mountain. A lot of the kids haven't been up before. So, what a way to get them up and show them the importance of the environment by cleaning it and looking after it. A lot of the kids. So we're going to take them up around the forest and just let them go a wee bit mad and enjoy being in the outdoors. So, I look forward to seeing how much rubbish we can get collected. And by the time they're back down, there's not going to be a bit of litter left up here. I can promise that.
We are doing our best to help biodiversity on these mountains. So we're basically just trying our best.
Perfect.
Well, I love the grass. It's not cute. The colour you normally see in nature is green, and I think green's a lovely colour. Going on the mountain and pick rubbish.
Okay, why are you picking up rubbish?
They can have the environment clean, I don't know. I say environment clean. Yeah, something for the environment. This is your fault. Don't litter on something. We're such good helpers, by the way.